That's not good.
But we are on the way to hopefully get this exhaust welded up and kind of finalize this car as far as it being drivable. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this a whole video. I'm just gonna include this in the video we're doing for the trap car so that you guys will know that we did get the exhaust finished. But yeah, we're on the way. It is in the evening time, which is the only time I really have to do things on the weekday. And it is gonna be cold, it is gonna be dark, and damn, I forgot that light. But yeah, we are on the way. I'm not gonna film too much at night, guys, but I'm just on my way back, and man, this thing is a gem. Like, it's so quiet. You literally wouldn't even know we were moving right now. All I hear is the wind noise. This is just crazy. She's running great, man. We gotta find another one. We got to find another one. Like, I'm so jealous, man. This thing is so mint. Like, this is mint. This is the perfect daily driver. No coilovers, no crazy modifications, just a clean whip, AC, heat, power steering. Call me old fashioned, but this is beautiful here. Finally, guys, finally, we get around to addressing the trap car's messed up axles and gonna go ahead and replace this busted up header and maybe even do the injectors. I believe that's where my misfire was coming from when we took it to the mountain. So I may be trying to put in some stock injectors. This engine is not modified at all, so I did 550s way back like 3 or 4 years ago, but I'm running just regular 93 gas. It's no power adder whatsoever on this car. And yeah, I really don't need this size of an injector. So I did post on Facebook today looking for a set of stock H23 OBD2 injectors. So if I can come across somebody with those, we'll go ahead and throw them in here, because I'm probably gonna go back to James with this car and let him retune it anyway. It's been a minute. The last time we tuned it was when we took it to Florida, which I believe that was either 2018 or 2019. So it's been quite a few years on this same setup. So it's about time to refresh and see if we've lost power over the years or if we maintain the same power. So that being said, I guess we'll go ahead and start by taking these wheels off and trying to get these axle nuts broke loose. I know they're gonna be a pain in the ass, but yeah, we gotta get them off. So yeah, let's get started. So this is pretty much where I'm gonna have to stop on the trap, just because I'm trying to. So let me go over what we got. So we got the fresh axles in, all of that's finally done and good to go. And then I was trying to change out this top part of the manifold, which let's see if I can show y'all, but this thing is definitely cracked. See the light in there? You can see the light, but yeah, it's got several cracks all around where they butt together it. You can see there's one, if it'll focus, but there's one like right there on the edge. And this thing is freaking clapped out. So it's definitely done its job. It's been on the car for about, I want to say 4 or 5 years now. And that HTS two-step is just nothing to play with. But I've been trying to drill away and get something to work. So I got this top half from my brother Jeff, and the bolts, as you know, for these manifolds never really work. So I got some really nice bolts right here that I was trying to drill this out to match, but man, I have no drill bits whatsoever. So the ones I do have are just crappy as fuck. So I was trying my best to drill through this thing, was not going. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just call it here. It's already 11:30 at night, and I do gotta get up for a haircut in the morning. So trying to get this video done for y'all, but I think I'm gonna just call it here. And tomorrow I'm gonna run by Ace Hardware and get like some like thinner bolts, a little bit thinner than that, probably about the size that was in there. But I'm gonna get bolts and nuts this time, so like I did with Jeremy's H23 Accord, and that way I can just put the whole bolt through the top of the header part and bolt it up from the bottom where the downpipe meets it. And that way we don't have to worry about those little studs for the eBay ones. They like corrode really bad and end up stripping out anyway. So it's just a better option if you're gonna wanna be taking this thing off. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just get some better bolts, but slightly thinner. And then I will pick it up tomorrow with installing it. But as far as this video goes, I'm just gonna wrap it up here so that we can get this content out for you guys. The trap is really coming along. And what I'm trying to do is have this thing ready for the dyno whenever James can get Jeff's wagon back on the dyno. I want to try to dyno this in the same day we do that, so we can see, we work out that kink why it's like it just has a miss. And I do plan on, when I get this header fixed tomorrow, hopefully, I do plan on driving it some and see if it still has that miss in it or not. It could have just been from the cracks in the header, like throwing off the map or something. But I'm definitely gonna drive it around and check to see if it doesn't be missing. Then I feel more glad. I still want James to go over, but I feel better because I think, I promise you, I think it's them injectors, honestly. Those are eBay injectors, and they have been in here for about the same amount of time that header's been on here, which is like 4 or 5 years. And we've driven this thing to Florida, somewhere, everywhere. So can't be mad at those $60 injectors. But I'm gonna stop talking. With that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Hope y'all enjoying the content on the Accords and stuff, man. Make sure you hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're new. I will catch y'all next, and remember, respect all bills. Peace out.